Assalamualaikum student. I am your teacher Nayab and I am taking class of World of Chemistry. The topic is covalent bond. What is covalent bond? How they will form a bond when different type of elements atom are combined with each other by a something relationship that which we call the bonding. So there are the different type of bondings which are, first of all, today we study about the covalent bond. What is covalent bond? So the covalent bond are those type of bonding in which they form by the combination of two atoms by sharing of electron. If we study about the sharing of the electrons, so for example, we have example of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen, if we done the electronic configuration of hydrogen atom, so the electronic configuration of hydrogen atom is H1. Why H1? Because they have only one electron in their shell. So therefore we say that in the first shell, in the S subshell, they have only one electron. So in the covalent bond, what will be happen? There are the two atoms which are what they will be do. They share the electrons. They each and share of the electrons and make a bond. Of that type of bond we call what? We call a covalent bond. So if we have an example of hydrogen atom, so one hydrogen atom have also, we take two hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom have also H1 electrons and the another hydrogen atom also have a 1 electron. So what will be happen? What will they do in the forming of the covalent bond? They form a covalent bond by sharing of these electrons. By sharing of their only one electron which are present in their outermost shell, they share and they make a bond. When they make a bond, they form a some type of dishes. So the bonding, how will we represent the covalent bond? We represent the covalent bond by the dish. अगर हम बात करें कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड की कि व्हाट इज कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, क्या है कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड में हमारे पास होगा कि उसमें शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे. दो हम ऐसे एलिमेंट ऐसे एटम जो है वो लेंगे और वो अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो इक्वली शेयर कर पाएंगे. जब वो फॉर एग्जांपल हमने एग्जांपल लिया यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन का. हाइड्रोजन क्या कर रहा है? अगर वो अपना हम दो एटम उसके ले रहे हैं, H2 है हमारे पास, दो एटम उसके ले रहे हैं, तो आपको पता है कि अगर उसके इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम देखें उसके आउटर मोस्ट शेल में ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन आर प्रेजेंट इन देयर आउटर मोस्ट शेल. तो इसलिए वो क्या करेगा? वो अपने दोनों हाइड्रोजन एटम जो है वो अपने एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को शेयर करेंगे और वो एक बॉन्ड बनाएंगे. उस बॉन्डिंग को हम क्या कहेंगे? उस बॉन्डिंग को हम कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड कहते हैं. और कैसे उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? बाय द डिश. दे विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय व्हाट? बाय द डिश. If we study about the HBr, so अगर हम Br की जो कि हमारे पास ब्रोमीन फैमिली है, अगर हम उसकी बात करें तो वो क्या करेगा? उसमें 35 नंबर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है. किसमें? ब्रोमीन में. जबकि हाइड्रोजन में उसके आउटर मोस्ट शेल में सिर्फ 1 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है. ब्रोमीन को एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए कि वो अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर सके. इसी तरह हाइड्रोजन को भी एक नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए कि वो अपना क्या करे? अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करे. सो दे विल मेक अ बॉन्ड by what? By sharing of equal their electron. By sharing equal of their electrons, so they will make a bond which is called covalent bond. If we come at the type of the covalent bond, how many type of covalent bond? There are the three type of covalent bond which include single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. If we study about the single covalent bond, so what will be happen in the single covalent electron? In the single covalent electron, there will be the atom which share their electron only one. Each atom share their electron only one. For example, we have a chlorine atom. We have a chlorine Cl2. हमारे पास क्लोरीन डाई है. तो वो क्या करेगा? They will make bond by what? By sharing of their one number of electrons. For example, if we done the electronic configuration of the chlorine, so there will be the 17 electron in their whole atom. So if we done the electronic configuration, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 2s, how will be 10, and this will be 2, and the remaining of the what will be said that p is 10, 12 और कितने रह गए हमारे पास? 5 रह गए. तो how many electron are they required to complete their electron their outermost shell? So they required only one electron to complete their outermost shell. So therefore we take two chlorine atom. What will be done? They both chlorine atoms share their one electron which are present in the outermost shell. They share these one electrons, and what will be done? They complete their octet. If we study about the CH4, if we have taken another example of the single covalent bond, so there is the CH4. You know that carbon atom have a 6 atom in their 6 electron in their electronic shell in their shell. So the electronic configuration of the carbon is, if we discuss, S2 and 2s2. So what will be left? 2p पे अगर हम बात करें तो हमारे पास रह जाएंगे कुछ भी नहीं, क्योंकि इस पे हमने कहा सॉरी 2p पे हो जाएंगे 2. They required 4 number of electrons to complete their outermost shell. So therefore the carbon atom combined to make a covalent bond with 4 hydrogen atom to complete their octet. So what will be happen? Carbon atom have the electrons. So they will combine with the hydrogen atom to form a bond. To form what? To form a single bond and complete their octet. If we study about the double covalent bond, how will be the double covalent bond? In the double covalent bond, there will be shared their 2 number of electron. If we take any type of any atom, so they will be what? How they will make their bonding? So they will share their 2 electron. For example, if we take oxygen 2. So what will be happen? We know that oxygen have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. So if we done the electronic configuration of the oxygen, so 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. F2p, how will what will be they done? The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. So the element we already said that there is the 8 electron in the oxygen atom. So how many electrons are required for the oxygen to complete their octet? So there are only how many? Only 2 electrons are required to complete their electronic configuration. So what will be happen? ये क्या करेगा? ये हमारे पास एक ऑक्सीजन भी अपने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करेगा और दूसरे ऑक्सीजन भी अपने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करेगा. उसके जो अपने ये इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे वो क्या करेंगे? वो एक दूसरे के साथ ये शेयर कर लेंगे और यहाँ पर हमारे पास 2 डबल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड जो कि 2 डिशेस बन जाएंगे, जो डिशेस को रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि ये हमारे पास बॉन्डिंग है. तो 2 डिशेस होंगे तो इसका मतलब है कि उसमें डबल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बन जाएंगे. If we come toward the triple covalent bond, so how will we discuss that? Triple covalent bond is that type of bond in which 3 electrons are shared by each atom. For example, we have a nitrogen. So what will be happening in the nitrogen atom? Nitrogen atom have the 7 electron in their shell. If we do the electronic configuration of the nitrogen, 1s2, so 2p. 4 is that and 3 is that. So they required what? They required 3 number of electrons to complete their outermost shell. So therefore the 2 nitrogen atom share each nitrogen atom share 3 number of electron. 3 number of electron to make a triple covalent bond. So student, I have a homework for you. Take out page number 103 and example and done the example of 4.2 and that is your homework. I hope you will understand.